And I'm glad I have your attention. While you're here, go check out my Teespring. I just released a new sticker. It's this one right here. Come Out Fighting. If you know where it's from, leave a comment down below. I'll pin it and I'll give you a special 30% discount code on the sticker. As for everyone else right now, the discount code is 761STTD, which means 761st TD. If you know what that means, leave that comment. For the first month, it'll be 15% off, and all that money and every profit that I make on these stickers goes towards buying more ammo so I can do more reviews for you guys and we can make more Prime 13 videos. Alright guys, see you later.